Hi everyone, welcome back to the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and today we're talking about something many people feel these days, stress, and how to relax in English. Stress is something everyone experiences, whether it's at school, work, or even at home. And today, we'll share simple ways to feel calmer and happier.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom. I'm really happy to be here today. I have to admit this topic is perfect for me because even I felt stressed this morning. Sometimes life just throws little challenges at you and suddenly everything feels a bit too much.
Really? What happened this morning, Tom?
Well, it started with my alarm not ringing on time. I woke up late, so I had to rush to get ready. Then, while I was making coffee, I spilled it all over my shirt. Imagine starting your day like that.
Oh no, that sounds like a disaster. Sometimes mornings feel like a race, and when everything goes wrong, it really sets a stressful mood. So, what did you do to calm down?
I tried to take deep breaths to slow my heart rate. Then I changed my shirt quickly and put on some calm music for the commute. Listening to soft music really helped me feel less tense.
That's great. Music can be so powerful. For me, when I feel stressed, I like taking a short walk outside. Even 10-15 minutes in fresh air clears my mind and makes me feel lighter.
Walking outside is simple, but really effective. I love going to the park when I feel stressed. Just being around trees, flowers, or a pond makes me feel peaceful. It's like a mini vacation for your mind.
Nature really is free therapy. Just sitting, breathing, and observing the surroundings can calm your mind. Sometimes I also enjoy making a cup of tea, sitting quietly, and drinking it slowly. The warmth and aroma help me feel calm almost instantly.
I love that. Tea is magical. I usually drink chamomile tea at night when I want to calm down before sleeping. Do you have a favorite relaxing drink, Anna?
I like green tea or warm milk with honey. It helps me sleep better, especially after a long, busy day. Drinking it feels like my stress is melting away.
That sounds comforting. You know what else helps me relax? Talking to someone I trust. When I feel worried or stressed, I call a friend or family member. Sharing your thoughts makes you feel lighter and less tense.
Yes, talking is so important. Sometimes we keep stress inside and it grows bigger. But when we share it, the stress shrinks. Do you write down your feelings sometimes?
Yes, I keep a small journal. When I feel stressed, I write about what happened, how I felt, and sometimes even what I'm grateful for. Writing helps me understand myself better and see solutions more clearly.
I love journaling too. I like writing 3 things that made me happy during the day. Even small things like a tasty breakfast, a funny message from a friend, or a sunny moment outside. Focusing on the good things helps me not just dwell on stress.
That's a wonderful habit. Maybe our listeners can try that too. Noticing even small happy moments can make a big difference.
And speaking of happy things, music is another way I relax. Tom, do you listen to calm music or upbeat music when stressed?
It depends. If I'm anxious or very stressed, I listen to calm music. But if I feel tired or need motivation, upbeat songs lift my mood quickly. Music changes how I feel instantly.
Same here. Sometimes I even dance in my room when I feel stressed. It sounds silly, but moving my body helps release tension.
I do that too. Even just stretching, walking, or shaking out your arms and legs can release stress. Exercise really works, even if it's short.
Stretching feels amazing, especially after sitting for long hours. I sometimes do yoga too. Just 15 minutes of yoga in the morning or evening makes me feel refreshed and calm.
That's true. I tried yoga once, and I remember how relaxed my mind felt after.
Breathing deeply while stretching is really powerful. Speaking of which, do you ever do breathing exercises?
Absolutely. I sit comfortably, close my eyes, inhale slowly, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly. Doing this several times calms my mind. I do it before bed, and it really helps me sleep better.
Sleep is so important. Lack of sleep makes everything feel harder. A good night's sleep can completely change your mood and energy the next day.
Definitely. And stress can also come from overthinking or trying to do too much at once. I try to take small breaks during the day to avoid feeling overwhelmed.
Me too. Even 5-minute breaks help. I stand up, stretch, drink water, or just look out the window. Sometimes I just watch the clouds or birds for a few minutes. It's surprisingly calming.
Screens can increase stress. I try to stay away from my phone before sleeping. Instead, I read a book, listen to soft music, or relax quietly. Even reading a short story in English can be calming and helpful for learning.
Good idea. I should do that more. Sometimes I scroll on my phone too long, and then I can't sleep.
We all do it, but small changes like stepping away from screens can help. Another thing that helps me relax is laughing. Watching something funny can instantly lift your mood.
Absolutely. I watch short funny videos or comedies when I need a break. Laughter makes everything feel lighter. Even a small giggle counts.
Do you ever cook to relax?
Yes. Cooking is like therapy for me. I focus on the ingredients, the smells, and the process. It helps me feel present and calm.
I agree. And when the food turns out delicious, it makes me feel happy and proud. Eating something warm and homemade is comforting.
Talking to pets is relaxing too. Pets bring joy, comfort, and love.
Yes, my cat purrs when she sits with me. That sound instantly calms me. Animals really know how to make us feel loved and peaceful.
You know, some listeners might feel stressed while learning English. I just want to remind them that it's okay to learn slowly and enjoy the process.
Exactly. Learning a new language takes time and patience. Be kind to yourself. Learn a little every day, celebrate small victories, and don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make mistakes. What matters is that you keep going, practicing, and enjoying learning.
And if you feel stressed while learning, take a break, relax, and return when you feel ready. English should be fun, not pressure.
Speaking of learning, sometimes I combine English with relaxing activities. For example, I watch English movies with subtitles, listen to English songs, or read a short story in English while drinking tea. It's relaxing and educational at the same time.
I do that too. Listening to English podcasts or audiobooks while walking outside is calming. It's a nice way to practice English without feeling stressed.
Another idea is to play English word games or apps. You can learn and have fun at the same time. Games and quizzes keep your mind active without feeling too much pressure.
That's a great idea. Also, writing short stories or journaling in English is relaxing. You can express your feelings and practice the language at the same time.
And when you combine learning with fun, it becomes easier to remember. Music, videos, games, even drawing in English. All these activities reduce stress and help you learn naturally.
Exactly. And dear listeners, if you're feeling stressed today, we hope our conversation has helped you feel a little calmer and given some practical ideas to try.
Before we finish, we'd love to hear from you. How do you relax when stressed? What helps you feel calm and happy?
Share your tips in the comments. Your ideas might help other learners too.
And don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and leave a comment below.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Remember to take care of yourself, enjoy small moments of joy, and stay relaxed.
Stay positive, stay calm, and see you next time.